Hello students, this is Ms. Priya Rathod and I'm with English subject. So students, as you know, we had discussed our forward slant line and backward slant line in my previous video. So let's start doing the work in book number 1. So in book number 1, you need to open the page number 7. Okay, and these two pages we had done on board page number 5 and 6, and I have told you the explanation that in blocks also how to write forward slant line and how to write backward slant line in blocks, and on lines how to write it. So please watch the previous video. After that you have to complete the work in book number 1 and page number 7. So students, as you can see over here, trace and write the forward slant lines. Okay, we have to do tracing of these and we have to write here forward slant line. So students, if you are not able to write straightly, so ask your parents to put 2 dots from here to here. Okay, so the formation of forward slant line, keep your pencil on this dot and come down towards left hand side like this. Firstly, we will do tracing. This is the first step for forward slant line. Which line I am making, students? It's a forward slant line. Which line is this? This is a forward slant line. Okay. Here also ask your mama papa to put dots in this way as I have done in my book. In the same way you have to do in your book. Now let's start making on dots. From here to here. Straightly. It should not be wavy. Forward slant line. Which line is this? Forward slant line. Which line ma'am is making? Ma'am is making forward slant line. Which line? Forward slant line. Which line is this, students? It's a forward slant line. Okay? Now, here we have to do trace and write the backward slant lines. Okay, so backward slant lines ma'am has told you on board and on lines how to do it. So firstly do the tracing. The formation is we have to go backward towards right hand side. Towards right hand side. Okay, so from here to here, this is a backward slant line. Which line is this? This is a backward slant line. Now we will do from dot to dot. Ask your mama papa to put dots in this way. Which line I am making, students? Forward slant line. Make sure your line should not be go outside the box. These blocks are mentioned over here now. So your line should not be go out. This is a backward slant line. Which line is this? Backward slant line. Which line I have done? Here we had done forward slant lines in this way, and these are the backward slant line in this way. Fine, students. Now after completing the page number 7 in book 1, you need to open your English workbook. This is your English workbook. Okay, please open it. And you need to open the page number 3. Okay, here also we will do the practice of forward slant line on page number 3. Please mention today's date over here and put tick on classwork. Students, here we are going to write forward slant line. Say trace and write. Okay students, you have to speak and write. Fine. And students, ask your mama papa to put dots on red line to red line only, as I have done from top red line to bottom red line. Okay, top to bottom towards left hand side. Towards left hand side. So the formation of forward slant line is this. Forward slant line. Which line ma'am is making? Ma'am is making forward slant line. Which line? Forward slant line. Now let's do it on dots. red line to red line. Keep your pencil over here and come down to red line here towards left hand side. Forward slant line. Which line are these? These are forward slant line. Speak with me, students. Forward slant line. Okay. Now in the same way you have to complete the whole page. Forward slant line. And your line should be straight. It should not be wavy. Okay. If it will be wavy, so it will not called a forward slant line. So your line should be straight. Forward slant line. Which line are these? These are forward slant line. Which line? Forward slant line. See, ma'am has done the work on page number 3. So, in the same way you have to complete forward slant lines on page number 3. Okay, then ma'am will give you stars. 3 stars. Fine? Now, turn your page and come on the page number 4. Okay, here we are going to do practice of backward slant line. So please put tick on classwork and please mention today's date over here. So here also ma'am has mentioned dots for your comfortable. So ask your mama papa to put dots on red line to red line for making backward slant line. So let's start doing tracing for backward slant line. Slowly, slowly. Keep your pencil on red line. Come on the red line towards right hand side. This is your right hand. So this side you have to come. This is a backward slant line. This is a backward slant line and this is a forward slant line. Okay, students? Now let's do it. Speak. Backward slant line. Backward slant line. Now here we are going dot to dot from red line to red line. Which line are these? Speak. Backward slant line. Which line are these? These are backward slant line. See, students, in the same way you have to complete your work in a very good handwriting. Then ma'am will give you 3 stars. Okay. So speak and write, students, and your line should be straight. It should not be wavy. Your line should be straight. Okay. Speak and write. Which line we are making? We are making backward slant line. Which line? Backward slant line. Which line are these? These are backward slant line. Okay, students, see, I have done. So students, you have to do the same in your workbook, okay, and submit your work on Google Classroom, okay, by 5:30 p.m. in PDF form. Thank you.